Hey there guys, today I'm making an order for my friend. She has an order for her and her friend. She is asking me to make her a friendship bracelet. So I'm making her one right now. I hope I could just send some, bracelets to you guys because I literally love you guys. Even though I never saw your face. Yeah, so the order she has is a yin yang bracelet, and actually she is the first one to buy a yin yang bracelet, so I'm probably going to give her some freebies. Yeah, some stickers and some candies. I don't know what to give her. So yeah, the video is almost done, so bye guys.